Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Cosmos, one of my favorite projects in the ecosystem at the moment, and definitely something that I'm going to be investing in long term. So Cosmos Atom is its native coin or token. So we are on CoinMarketCap. So currently it is $11.70 per coin, and it is ranked number 40 on the CoinMarketCap list based on the market cap. So at the moment it has $2.5 billion in it, and this is still low cap because, and I mean low cap in terms of what they're aiming to do and the amount of money that has been put into this project. So for what they're doing, this is very cheap at the moment, guys. I would be buying this right now. If I had $1 million, I would be putting $100,000 out of that into Cosmos. All right, enough with the stupid. All right, let's get into the tokenomics. So circulating supply, we have a total of 275 million tokens. Out of that, 217 million tokens are in circulation at the moment. So 2.5 billion, and the circulating supply gives us an $11.74. Like I said, which is very cheap. We will take a look at the charts on Binance, but right now, as you can see, we peaked out at $32. And it's just incredible how some of these projects are this cheap and what they're going to do to the future and how they will help our ecosystem in the future is really incredible. And Cosmos is at the forefront of the internet of blockchains. So it calls itself the internet of blockchains because it interconnects all the blockchains. So its main purpose is interoperability between the blockchains. It's not a competitor to Ethereum or Polkadot or Cardano. It wants all these ecosystems to coexist. And in my opinion, all the blockchains will be able to coexist. There is no Ethereum killer. The only Ethereum killer at the moment is Ethereum itself because of, well, previously because of the high fees. Right now, the fees are a lot lower on the blockchain. So let's get into their website. Now, I really like this space themed website that they have over here. Obviously, Cosmos being our crypto ecosystem and the Atom being the native token, basically meaning that atoms, everything's built out of atoms, and you get the memo. But over 248 applications and services built on the Cosmos blockchain. Let's go through the website a bit. So the heart of the interchain, serving as the economic center of Cosmos, the Cosmos Hub is a blockchain that provides vital services to the interchain. So the Cosmos Hub is kind of the heart of its blockchain, basically. So security provider, with the upcoming interchain staking feature, Atom will soon be securing many chains in exchange for additional staking rewards. So you can stake your Atom tokens for rewards. Obviously, this is a proof of stake consensus. Now, let's go a bit deeper into the website. So we're going to go through some frequently asked questions as well. So proof of stake, 99% lower carbon footprint. So this is a green crypto, you could say. Fast transactions. So a big part of their goals is scalability. So Cosmos technically is infinitely scalable, and you have to do your own research into the very detailed fundamentals, but I'm just giving you an overview. So basically, Cosmos is a bridge between all the blockchains. So let's get into the fees. You can see the fees are very low, and pretty much this is what the crypto space is moving towards. Fast being a lot faster, more transactions per second, and having the fees as low as possible. So developers in Cosmos are the pioneers of the new era of blockchain technology. Join a fast-growing token economy and build upon a secure and stable foundation. So they consider themselves a 3.0 blockchain, and Cardano does consider themselves as well. So Bitcoin was the original crypto, Ethereum is a 2.0 blockchain, and Cardano and Cosmos are 3.0 cryptos. Decentralized finance applications create exchanges and marketplaces that allow anyone around the world to buy, trade, invest, and lend even without a bank account. So like you can get into a lot of these details, and you have to look at the site for yourself. I'm just going to go through some of the features and some of the frequently asked questions, and also we're going to take a look at all the projects that are being built. So a whole universe of opportunity for token holders. The Cosmos Hub pioneered in a new era in the blockchain space by being the first public proof-of-stake blockchain built on top of a Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus engine. Yet this is only the beginning. 2 years after its launch, the Cosmos Hub is set to play a leading role in the interchain by offering a wide array of vital services. So I would say that this blockchain will be leading the interoperability of the ecosystem. Now let's get in. You can actually read all of this on the website. It's really interesting, but I don't want to waste a lot of your times by reading. So you can vote if you have staked Atom. It gives you rights to participate in the open governance process, which governs the evolution of the network. Also, I do believe they are about to launch the Gravity Decentralized Exchange. The Cosmos Hub's Gravity Decentralized Exchange will enable users to seamlessly swap digital assets coming from all over the interchain. This service improves on existing designs by combining AMM features like that of Uniswap with an order book based model, providing a richer and more efficient trading experience. Yeah, so I'm going to have the link in the description to the website. Let's go to the tokens that and the projects that have been built on the Cosmos network. So we have the Binance Smart Chain, we have the Cosmos Hub, obviously, Crypto.com, which I didn't know. This was an interesting find for me. Also, we have obviously Terra Luna, which is a great project. I will cover it in a video one day. It is very good, and I will be investing in it very soon. Let me know if you're involved with Terra Luna. Injective Protocol, Band Protocol. So a lot of great projects over here, guys. And, take a look at them. Take a look at them. And this is in a growing ecosystem at the moment. So investing in this, you would be ahead of the herd. And being ahead of the herd is the probably number one rule in crypto to make a lot of money. Now let's go to the frequently asked questions, and then we'll jump into the charts. So what is a blockchain? If you're watching this video and you don't know what a blockchain is, then you definitely should stop and learn about the ecosystem in general. Now, what is Cosmos? Cosmos is an ever-expanding network of decentralized and interconnected blockchains. Who is building Cosmos? Cosmos development is supported by the Interchain Foundation and built by over 15 companies. So you can press learn more to get a lot more info on that. What problems does Cosmos solve? Cosmos solves three primary problems in blockchain: sobriety, scalability, and sustainability. So a project should always solve some problem in order for it to have demand. What projects are built on Cosmos? We covered this. And what is the Cosmos Hub? The Cosmos Hub is the blockchain that serves as the economic center of Cosmos. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the website, guys. I gave you a little rundown of all the things they do, and you should check out the website for yourself. Now let's jump into the charts. Now jumping into the charts on the daily, we are on the Binance against USDT. You can see that we were respecting this trend line, and we did bounce off of it every time it went up. So you can expect this trend line to play in the future when we are back in full force with the bull run, and once the price starts recovering back up, and you can expect us to hit this level of resistance. So just keep that in mind, pull this out on your charts. Now, if Bitcoin was to capitulate and we were to come back down to 24K or 25K, which would see us do a healthy bounce for Bitcoin, then you can come back and get more Atom tokens at $8.86. Pretty much $9 is one of the best prices to start getting into Atom, because this is where we bottomed out. We were pretty much at the bottom, and I started buying and accumulating more Atom over here in this area. Now, a strong resistance level is going to be $13.85 and $16.85 as well. We have created a bearish cross on the daily chart. I will point it out right now. As you can see over here, the 20 EMA, the yellow line, went below the 55, which indicated that we were in a trend line. And then we made a bearish cross with a 200 EMA as well. And we are starting to straighten out with the EMA, and hopefully we can come back for the bullish cross, which will indicate that we are now back in a bull trend. So keep that in mind. Always have the EMAs up because they act as strong support and resistance. What I recommend is buying through this dip right now. On the RSI, we're starting to come back down. We created this double bottom on the RSI, which is a healthy pattern. There we go. First bottom, second bottom. That was very good. And now we're starting to come back up, because as you can see over here, we were very much overbought. And you know, when you are that overbought, you're just going to come back down. So you have to expect something like that. And moving to the moving average convergence divergence, or MACD for short. For short, we have a bullish cross on the MACD at the moment, and that's why we're seeing some move towards the upside. So perhaps we're gonna recover with this market. Bitcoin is going back to 40K, and if we break the 41K as resistance and retest it as support, then the market will be doing great in general. So keep that in mind. And let's jump into the 4-hourly chart, because there is a bullish pattern playing out right now, and I'm going to give it to you right now. So jumping into the 4-hourly, we are a bit oversold on the 4-hourly, so we might come back to retest the 20 EMA for support. That would be healthy. We don't want to get overextended, get too far away from the EMAs, but we have created the bullish cross on the EMA. Look at this. The 20 EMA went above the 55 EMA, and that is an indicator that we are moving in the right direction. We are in an uptrend. The 200 EMA is acting as resistance. As you can see, we wicked off of it, which means that there is some selling pressure at the 200 EMA. So you have to be careful. If you're swing trading, you could sell the 200 EMA rejection and buy back in at a retest. But ideally, we want to come back to the 20 EMA and then start growing from there, because we don't want to get overextended. Like I said, what I'm seeing right now at the moment is a little cup and handle pattern. So right now, this is the cup, and we want to form the handle, which would be the retest of the 20 EMA and breaking this resistance over here. As you can see, that would be the neckline of the cup. And if we went up, retested it as support, and then we break up. And I'm going to give you a target out of this pattern. So from the neckline to the very bottom, actually, let's do it like this, to the very bottom of the pattern. And if we're breaking out somewhere over here, that would give us around 17 to 16 and 85 cents per token. So yeah, that plays in beautifully with our resistance level over here that we have, and that is exactly $16.85. So keep that in mind. This is a bullish pattern playing out. Everything is pointing towards trajectory towards the upside. So keep that in mind and just buy the dip while you still can. I'm going to be accumulating as many coins as I can, because this is a long hold for me, a long-term hold, and I will be staking. So let me know if you're involved in Cosmos. Let me know if you have any at the moment, and are you staking, and what are your thoughts on the Cosmos blockchain in general. Now, I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so you should do your own research before investing. Keep that in mind. None of this is financial advice. And make sure to join the Telegram chat because we're sharing great projects. We're helping people out if they have any problems. I see people constantly asking some questions, and there are always people who will help you if you have some sort of a problem with the transaction or whatever it may be. People are willing to help. A great little community we have over there. So make sure to check it out. And if you want to support the channel, then feel free to do so via the USDT ID wallet that I have in the description. Don't feel like you have to. If you could, that would be incredible. But that's it for this video. Don't want to ramble on for too long. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.